Hello and welcome. I'm so excited you're here, and I just want to say well done for taking this step. Whether you've never picked up a face painting brush before or you've dabbled in face painting and want to get a little bit better, you're exactly at the right place. This course has been designed for real people with real goals, not just professional artists. This course is for you. If you want to start a side hustle, you can start quickly and grow over time. Say you're a parent who wants to paint at parties, fundraisers, or school events. You may work with schools, churches, or community groups. Or say you're a teacher, a childcare worker, or a workplace event organizer. Or maybe you're already a face painter and you want to sharpen your skills, speed, and confidence. You do not need to be naturally artistic. You don't need expensive equipment and you don't need experience. This course is built from the ground up, and content is added regularly based upon what you need. So what will you be able to paint by the end of this? By the end of this course, you will confidently be able to paint fast, crowd-pleasing designs that kids actually ask for, clean, professional line work, the most popular faces, say butterflies, superheroes, unicorns, tigers, rainbows, and so much more. Designs that are quick enough for paid events, and faces that look polished even when you're under time pressure. You'll also understand how to choose colors that work well together and how to place designs correctly on the face. Also, you'll learn how to fix mistakes and how to work faster without sacrificing quality. This is not just about painting pretty faces, it's about painting confidently and consistently. So, how to use this course? Here's how I recommend you use this course for best results. Watch each lesson first. Don't rush to paint straight away. I know it's tempting. However, it's always good to watch the techniques and then try it yourself. So you've watched a lesson, you then pause, practice on your practice sheet and repeat. Go back, rewatch lessons as many times as you need. That's the beauty of an online course. You have access to it whenever you need. Very important, don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself only to yesterday's work. Even 15 to 20 minutes of practice a few times a week makes a real huge difference. And this is really important. I want you to hear me clearly. Do not give up. Face painting is a skill, not a talent that you're born with. Every confident, fast, successful face painter you see, including me, started with wobbly lines, smudges, designs that didn't turn out how we imagined, and that's completely normal. That's learning. So if you stick with it, you can really create a great side hustle or even a full-time income. And yes, it can make you really, really good money. So I'm just really glad that you're here, and I can't wait to paint with you. In the next lesson, we're going to start with the absolute basics so you feel confident from day one. Grab your brushes and take a deep breath. Let's get started.